Alright guys, so here we are removing the 5.3 off the single cab. This is the engine that currently came with the truck, but I am upgrading to 6.0. This engine was rebuilt, had a cam, but it had some issues. Transmission also had some issues. It was slipping second gear, so I decided to go ahead and get a new setup. So enjoy the video.
That's the toy, huh?
Yeah, that's the one I'm putting 6.0 in here.
Yeah, I got a 6.0 in this one. Thank you.
Yeah. You got the intake manifold right there.
No, all right.
And the ECM's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Well guys, we just saw the 5.3 that was in the single cab. Now it's time to get the 6.0 out, start the swap. Here we got the transmission, the 4L60. We'll be upgrading to a bigger one, so yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, so here's the 2003 Escalade where I'm getting the 6.0 from. This is one of my parts trucks here at my little boneyard. This is our little donor. So I don't know what I'm doing is legal or illegal, but I'm finna steal this forklift because I need it. So I catch on, I get the slow lane customs. So here we are using the forklift to transport my 6.0 into my shop. I stowed it, so don't tell nobody. So guys, here we're arriving to one of my homeboy's house. His name is Corey. We're gonna pick up this transmission he's selling.
Yeah, I got this shit, I know what to do. Yeah, my brother, they got the hand fitting thing on there. That's good.
4080.
Yeah, 408. I got a big converter in there, 3,200 style.
Yeah.
Converter in there.
What brand converter?
Circle D.
Circle D?
Yeah, top line I paid like almost $800 for it.
Yeah, I got one of my blue truck. It's a 4200 though. Circle D.
Yeah,
they say that's the best one out there.
Yeah, that's why I went with it. Cause I had it in this car here, but I went with a Turbo 400 because I was doing the racing shit.
Yeah.
And I ain't had time. I really need something I can do it myself. So we can bring this big motherfucker out. You want to check it out?
Yeah, go ahead. So we came for it, so.
Oh, yeah. This a big bitch, boy. You hear me? See the trailer?
Let's sit right here so we won't get.
I got a dipstick for it too.
Man, look like everything's good. We ain't gonna know till we run it. Yeah. Yeah. If we sit on the engine stand, it almost works out so where we like this, put on our pressure.
Oh, yeah. Take mine off.
Yeah, well, we got this. You ain't on gas and block.
That's where it was. That's the hard part. I broke the son bitch all the way. Damn, I was drilling upside here.
Damn. So here we got the 6.0 Vortec long tubes. Over here we got the 4L80 that we picked up the other day. Wow, it's cold this morning, guys, but that's not gonna stop us from working on the truck. We got everything. It's install time, so let's see how it goes. Hopefully we don't run through no issues. I think I got everything I need. So now it's just time to piece it up. So let's get to it.
Ain't no such thing as chasing dreams. Gotta be a leader. Ain't no following.
I'm in the track like a mile. She get it poppin', she nala. Bitch, I'm the kid like me fast. This was the dream since I was little. Put my life in a riddle. Every bad bitch that I pull up on, she be like diddle diddle. These niggas be little. Let's bring they be big. I'm in the trap with the gangsters. You cannot come here.
Man, you don't know what I've been through. I got my family and friends to this shit. Business and friendship, they never do mix. But I ended up killing these niggas with nicks. It's a shame how the game's changing. These lanes think we in the same range. Realistically, my mind frame and my time frame's getting more bank. I count my blessing, give the Lord thanks. High as heaven, I got more faith. Got my life that's rolling more stank. Double coupler like an oil change. You ain't shame how the game's changing. These lanes think we in the same range. Realistically, my mind frame and my time frame's getting more bank. I count my blessing, give the Lord thanks. High as heaven, I got more faith. Got my life that's rolling more stank. Double coupler like an oil change. New chick, I'm fucking with, got a real titties and a foreign face.
There's no other words to that. Shit, I ain't mad with that. It's not even.
Damn, man.
Well, we waiting for the truth. You told us.
Esa la música, bro. Yeah, the radio.
Check to see if I'm there playing.
I ain't trying to get this close, but man.
What happened?
It turned on.
Nah, them cables up there ain't hitting. Some up here. You can hear it. Look, do it. See? Do it. It's the battery or some shit.
Is the battery charged, bro?
Huh? Battery charged up?
Should be.
Your lights look weak.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Now, Dolly.
You turned the escalator on this morning.
Side of the face come on.
You didn't have this shit hooked up, man?
What we gonna do, Julio?
Damn, boy. Shit broke.
Sorry, man.
So I could go ahead and take them off. You don't need them?
So, got the Cadillac stereo here just because I got all the wiring off the Cadillac, so everything could work good. Power seats work now. I'll show you that later, but also my windows work. I was having trouble with my last video. Both of them work. So finally got power in the single cab, which is good. Let me show you the seat. It works too. It's all power, guys. You see. All right. Well, let's turn on the truck. You see, it won't turn over. And as you see, my system's locked up. And put the computer on so I can see what I'm talking about, what it says. I went ahead and bought me one of these so I can mess around, learn something new. But I'm still surprised I built this truck, building this truck from the ground up by myself. Man. All right, so we gotta wait a little bit. Hey. So, as you see, no powertrain, freeze frame data is presently stored in vehicle's computer. Basically, guys, the reason why the truck can't turn on, I came to the conclusion, is because I ain't got my transmission in the truck. And like I said, I will be doing a 4080 swap here in the future. And the reason why I think it's my transmission is because after a little research I did, they have a little, we'll say like a little box inside the transmission. And when that's not plugged in, it's telling your truck it's not in park. So my system right now says my truck is in gear. So I had to come back, connect the transmission. I could bypass it, but I mean, I don't want to do all that. I mean, it's nothing hard. In order to bypass that, you have to dig through this wire right here, and there's a purple wire I was told. So, yeah, here it goes. This purple wire right here. Something about you could, this right here is supposed to be for your starter, and something about you bypass it by putting power to it. You run like probably like an alligator claw or just a little pin or something. Just plug it in here and just stab it into this purple wire, and it's supposed to turn the truck. I'm gonna wait and do this transmission swap and do it the right way so we get the truck running. But I just gotta wait on a few parts. Gotta wait on my stall, my torque converter, which is the same thing. Gotta do something to my drive shaft, I heard. Gotta shorten it. So there's a few little parts I gotta get first. So right now, just gonna keep the truck as it is, just sitting there in the shop. But we're a long way. We finally got power inside the cab. Everything inside the cab works like factory, AC, everything. Now we just gotta worry about the truck running, right? So we already got the 6.0 in. All we gotta do is just put this transmission in, and we'll call it a day. Y'all stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching.